my Bellas, it's me, your girl, Brown Girl Bella, back here to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. And today is my monthly unboxing for Ipsy. I usually do this in collaboration with my Sephora, but Sephora came first and I decided to split them up for the month of November. So if you did not catch my Sephora Play unboxing, I'm gonna leave it right up here for you so that you won't miss out. Now, this month in November, all I received was my Ultimate. I did not receive my regular Ipsy bag. For some strange reason, it never came. So I'm only unboxing my Glam Box. So, and I'm sorry, I did say Ultimate. It's not the Ultimate. I did not pay $50 for this. So let's be clear. But I will give you a peek inside of my Glam Box. And without further delay, let's just jump into it, shall we? Let go. All right, so this month is Wild Side. That's the theme for this month. And it says, this month, dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you might find the most authentic version of you. So it is hashtag discover yourself. And these are the products that I received. What else is allergies like acting up like crazy this month? Ugh, my allergies have been going haywire. So forgive me if I sniffle a lot through this video. My apologies, but allergy season is upon me and I'm going through it. So bear in mind what I'm going through and have some pity on your Brown Girl Bella. Now, let's get into the first product. It is from Ciate London. This is the Dewy Stick in Glow. And here is the product. The box is really cute. I love Ciate has really been coming out with some really good bangers lately. This is what it looks like. And then here's the product. So I'm sure it's going to be very light on my skin, but we're going to try it. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a real shiny kind of, almost like a lip balm. It says it's a gel-like balm and it's made with Murmur butter and hydrocolonic acid to instantly radiate your skin. You can add this onto your bare skin, blend out with your fingers or the brush. And then if you're going to wear it on top of makeup, swipe the fingers over the balm and then apply gently with a rolling motion. So I'm going to actually put it right on top of my highlighter just to see. I'm going to use my fingers. I'm not going to roll it on because I forgot I have highlighter and stuff on and I don't want to change the color. So I'm gonna just tap it. I don't know, it didn't do much to my skin, so maybe I need to do it when it is bare and then try it. But it's called Dewy Stick and it's supposed to make your skin dewy. I guess it made it a little dewy where the highlighter is. I suppose it did. Let me see if I can add a little bit more of my highlighter that's left on the brush. Okay, it did brighten it up a little bit. It did brighten it up a little bit, made it a little more dewy like. So that's the first thing that I got. The next thing is from Ilamasqua. This is the Hydra Veil Primer. It is both a hydrator and a primer, instantly moisturizing and soothing your skin in one simple step. The futuristic gel clear formula absorbs quick, so it's the perfect step before foundation application. So let's open up the box. I love Ilamasqua. I have two lipsticks from them so far, and now this Hydra Veil. And I love the futuristic look to it. And I think you open it up, yes, like this. And then there's the primer. It does look very gel-like. Has a clean smell to it. Does not smell bad. It really smells like refreshing and fresh. So that's what it looks like. And again, the packaging is really sleek. It's all black. The box is black with the yellow letters, and then the inside is yellow as well. They really do their packaging very nice as well. So that is Ilamasqua. Here I have the Murad Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. And I got one little friend over here that I just developed. So I will definitely try this out and let you know what I think. It is designed to reduce blemish size and redness within 4 hours. 2% salicylic acid, and that is the maximum strength. It says that it was founded by dermatologist Dr. Howard Murad, who is a dermatologist. And this line uses high performance technologies to get to the heart of your skin concerns. The salicylic acid treatment reduces redness, clears pores, and calms the blemishes. So you just apply a thin layer on the affected area as needed, and it will reduce your blemishes. So we shall definitely see if this works. Like I said, I have a traveler who joined me. So perfect timing to figure out if this will work. The next thing that I got is by a brand that's new to me. This is Gigi Gorgeous, and it's named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist Gigi Gorgeous. It is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. It is a versatile peachy pink blush duo that delivers a subtle wash of color that builds beautifully. So here's what the packaging looks like. And then let's open the box. So here's the palette. Again, same concept as the box. And then this is, let's not blind you. This is the color. I'll zoom it in or bring it in a little closer so you can see. And I'm actually going to try this because I'm very interested to see if this works on my skin. So I'm just going to rub it across both, tapping off the excess. Okay, I see it gave me a little punch of color, and it does have a subtle sheen to it as well. So this is nice, especially for those days when you don't want a heavy blush. You just want a nice light flush of color. That looks good. So that's by Gigi Gorgeous. And then the last thing that I got is a lipstick. And this is by Belle in Argent, and it is called Smoking on Screen. So Ipsy says that this just might be the most perfect fall lipstick ever. I do love the packaging. It's a cruelty-free and vegan brand, and it's a deep berry shade with blue-red undertones and infused with argan and jojoba oils to nourish and protect while coating your lips in its creamy color. So this is the packaging, which looks fantastic. And this is what smoking on screen looks like. Perfect for me because, you know, I love these berry colors. And here's what it looks like swatched. So that's the color. It's perfectly within my wheelhouse. So I definitely will be trying this. And like I said, this lipstick holder is fantastic. And then last but not least, let's show you the bag. So this is the Ipsy bag that came with it. I love the tassel, and the inside is carried through with that brown color. So this is what the bag looks like. So that was my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. As I said before, I did not get the regular Glam Bag, and I still have not opted to opt into the Ultimate. Just seeing everyone else's, it just does not look like it is fully baked yet and has products that's worthy of $50 in purchase. So for now, I'm going to continue with my 2 bags that I have. Hope you enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Don't forget, if you're not already subscribed, to subscribe to Brown Girl Bella. And don't forget to tap that notification bell so you be notified each and every time I upload. Until next time, I leave you with a video to catch you up on all things Brown Girl Bella. Until I see you back here next time, Bellas, deuces.